Alright, today we're unboxing the Lego Bionicle Lewa, Master of the Jungle. Now, sorry for the noise in the background. Star Wars, The Return of the Jedi. Big fan of Star Wars, love Star Wars. So I'm gonna try and get Disney things for credit for that, because I love Star Wars. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. We won't build it today, but we will unbox it. And I might build it. I might not build this one because I've never built a Bionicle before. So for the first one, I don't really want to build one a video because I have no idea what I'm doing. Even though I will have instructions. Yeah, bye beautiful art. Alright, so what do we got in here? I've got these weird looking parts. Find out more of in a bit. Come out. This looks like the main part, which I cannot get out. Yeah. Also coming with the stuff. Oh, you got this. So probably the thing you connect all the parts on. Then no, cool. We still got the art here. Same thing. So this looks like the instructions. So that's it. That's in the box. And unboxing of the other one will be coming. Oh, whoa, that looks just amazing. Actually, my cat is the one that he doesn't like being in my room. He just wants to be fed right now because we didn't feed him about this time. So that's why he was probably mailing. So see ya. And I'll show you when it's built, okay?